All right, welcome to another video where we break down a company that I've brought to you guys named Godesana. This income stream is very imperative simply because it pays you daily, weekly, and monthly. Product pricing is very low cost, but the actual products are very unique, and this is why I really think you're going to want to learn this. So I'm going to walk you guys through how the company pays. This is more of the sign up process, and this is going to be mainly for my school community, but I'm going to put this on YouTube as well so you guys can understand. So what I like to always do, actually in this case, I'll look at a few products. This is our newest released product. It's called the Go-Go Stick, and I think this is going to be the most exciting thing because you got to think, tired professionals, athletes, people who suffer with sinuses and allergies, and just need a pick me up and don't want to always go to sugary things. So we have a whole breakdown of those of products for those different things that are going to help you. So here's some of the products, or all the products right here: allergy relief, craving crusher, fuel, focus fuel, frankincense, migraine ease, mood boost, mirror, nausea rescue, sinus soothe, and spikenard, plus a free clip on go sticks holder if you get the kit. So the next product I want to talk about, which is another banger to me, is all natural surface cleaner, because this is another thing affecting your lungs, etc., when you're spraying these chemicals. So we have different blends. This Tri Remedy is going to be the higher purchased one because it's more around disinfecting. It has a blend in there that is very powerful, and those same versions go into laundry detergent as well. So one more, and we're gonna get into how it pays, because I want you to understand this should hit it out the park when you see this. And remember, these products are all natural: tooth powder, deodorant, soap, um, face serum, hair serum. I mean, that has to be enough to hit it out the park. So you can see, guys, that this is a very competitive niche. If you're someone who wants natural products, I mean, we do it, I think, the best, because we really have natural products. We don't just say it. Everyone says we have natural products. We really have natural products, guys, and I'll let you look over that for a little bit. So now we're going to get into how it pays, and not so to say just a compensation plan, but more so when you're setting up your account, what I want you to keep in mind. So we're going to come up here to affiliate, and we're going to walk you through, step by step. They changed the compensation plan details a little bit since I brought this, since I put it on the channel, but we're gonna go through it. It's very simple. Right now we're sitting at, it's 11 pages, but it's a lot of jargon, like breaking down individual stats, etc. But most of this is wrapped into a very quick document. The main thing I want to, I'll show you the main thing I want to really get you to understand when you're joining Godesana, right? So I'm not gonna read all this. I showed you pretty much the products, etc. So the first way you're going to get some type of compensation is if you're on an auto ship. After a few months, you're going to start getting cash back every time you purchase. So you have to maintain a minimum auto delivery order of 10 BV every 31 days. And really, the BV situation is what I want you to really take away from this whole video. Because if you're brand new to making money online, if you're brand new to direct sales, some of this might go over your head a little bit, but I just want to show you how to get started. So you can see right here, we have a pure plant promise: no pesticides or harsh chemicals, no artificial sweeteners, minimally processed, organic, and wild crafted oils. And you can see, and the list goes on why we kind of stand against most of the competition. Brand consults earning with Godesana. So right here is where the compensation plan looks a little different than it used to look, but it actually breaks it down even more. So clear and simple, no complex hierarchies, totally flexible. You set your pace, daily and weekly pay with no inventory or quotas. Meaning you don't have to order a whole bunch of products. Like, what you'll be ordering is pretty much going to be personal use perfect for social media and digital marketing. And we get the point. So let's get right into the compensation plan. So the first way you're going to get paid with Godesana is retail commissions. Earn 25% retail commissions on every order placed by your personally enrolled customers up to your personal business volume for life, plus qualify for an additional 2% on team sales up to 5 generations deep for life. So there's a lot to unpack. For one, yes, you can get paid fast start commissions, meaning when somebody buys a product right now, you get paid right now. So you can get paid up to 2% when you like start hitting certain ranks, and it's just more leverage. So like you bring in a customer and they're like, I want to refer this to, it makes sense. And products are being purchased up to 5 levels. You can start earning on different people purchasing products all over the world. But the main focus I want to focus right now is on your personal. So if you share your link and someone purchases a go-go stick, how much do you pay? So what I want you to really take, and this is really the main thing I want you to learn in this video, you earn 25% up to your personal business volume. So we're going to come back to the website, and I'm going to walk you through the process of if you're purchasing a product in real time. So you're going in here to purchase a product, you're going to see this, everything's going to be zeroed out. You're going to come to upgrade. So you can get started with Godesana for, as little as 10 BV is where they want you to start. So, but what's very key of what I said pretty much is you only earn 25% of what you have. So say, for example, you come in here, you're like, I want a go-go stick, right? 10 BV, I just want one. So say someone comes in and says, hey, I want this. What you see is 100 volume. You're paid 25% of this. They say, I want this. I want this. But you're only at 10 volume. You're only going to get paid 25% of 10. Doesn't matter how many products they purchase. You're only going to get 25% of 10, which I think it breaks down to like $5, right? But if you have 50 volume, which is the starter kit, I mean, it's $59.95 plus shipping and, a little more fees. It's like, it comes out to like, I think $75. You're at 50 BV and you have 25% of the entire order. So if someone says, I want this. You're going to earn 25% of that order, right? Way more money than that $5. You hear what I'm saying? So even if someone gets they're like, hey, I want this too, which everyone should at least get 50 BV, you're going to make $12.95 in fast start commissions. Way better than 5, right? And that's just the first way we get paid. So what you're going to do is add it to the cart. Or if you're someone that's like, hey, I want to mix and match, I don't just want that. If you add this to the cart, it's going to be 25. If you add this to the cart as well, it's going to be 35, 45. You hear me? You get the point? So usually if someone sees a product they mainly came here for, they'll just get the kit of it. Or if we come to, I want to say this, let's go to kits just to make it simple. So you see right here, there's a kit right here. It's a little more, 100 BV. That's going to max it out even more. But here you see there's one right here, Home Sweet Home, 50 BV. There's one right here, 50 BV. And if you click around, there's other kits as well. This is another favorite one. So fresh and so clean. But like I said, it just depends what you want. But 50 BV is where you want to have your business every single month, because you're going to take advantage of the compensation plan. So now that we have that out the way, that was the biggest thing I wanted you. And there's actually, I love this new comp plan because you see right here, your customer purchased the Go-Go Sticks top sellers bundle for $59.95, 50 BV from your personalized website. You automatically earn $12.50 paid instantly if you were at 50 BV. So the next way we get paid is community revenue share. So with your free brand consultant account, you instantly qualify to earn on orders from your customers and consultants below you up to your personal business volume. Once again, that personal business volume keeps coming in place, and consultants placed below you up to your personal business volume, giving you a powerful way to benefit from the shared growth of the entire Godesana community, earn recurring income from the entire sales in your network, which is crazy about direct sales. Usually people pay on this like monthly. So it's like slow money. This is happening every week. So obviously it's going to compound when if people, you know, renew the next month and buy that same product again or other products again, it's going to compound. That's what you're seeing right here. So like I said, I'll like the numbers get big, but I wouldn't focus on them because this is like a lot of traction going on. So I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see. So you're gonna earn one on levels 1 to 6, 3%. And then when you start ranking up from bronze and above, you're gonna earn you're gonna earn 6% on levels 1 to 12. Meaning it's just gonna compound the money. So let's just keep it very simple, right? So let me pause for a quick second. So we're just gonna keep the 50 BV example in mind, which is 3% to 6%. But once you hit a certain rank, and I'll show you the ranks, you're gonna just keep 6% in mind. So your first level is gonna hold 3 people on it. It's gonna pay you $9, and this is on top of your fast start commissions. Then when your customer base starts growing, you're gonna have 9. It's gonna pay you 27. I know it's low. And then this just keep going. Say you have 243 customers, 729 at 6%. You see now we're moving, and this is if people just ordered like that a kit, like they never order another product outside of that kit. People are going to order more products. People are going to have more volume. There's going to be more volume. So this is just if someone just bought a kit, that's it. So where the real money, a lot of you are probably looking at like, oh, can I have a extra $2,000 a month? You see right here 729 customers. So this is a second way you get paid, and this is just going to compound, and the numbers get crazy. But you got to think the reason why I love a company like this is 90% of, and that's just, I think it's actually more, 90% of the members in this company are customers, not reps. Other places it's the opposite. So most people are just customers. And down here, example, it just shows the example. You are a preferred customer who purchased the Go-Go Sticks top seller bundle. You have 76 customers in your community matrix from spillover, which means just duplication. They have each also purchased the Go-Go Stick top seller bundle. As a value preferred customer, you would earn $114 at 3%. With just 3 people who purchase a 50 BV, and you can double your income to 228. So if at 50 BV, at 6%, if you rank up, it'll be even more, 228. And this is a matching bonus. So what's cool is when you do have reps that make money in this sector, their community starts moving, you earn a matching bonus of whatever they make as well. So depending on the ranks, right here you see the ranks. It actually shows the ranks right here. So bronze is you're at 50 BV and you get three sales. Silver, it's actually easy. Like the highest rank is 50 BV and 15 customers. Like they changed it up. It used to be, I think 100 more customers to be diamond. So you see you get a little matching bonus. So generation 1, you get 5 up to 25%. So if you're a diamond, you'll get another 25% matching bonus. So if someone makes $700 in their community right here, revenue sharing bonus, you're gonna get 25% of that. So it's crazy. And then if we scroll down, and there's levels to it. Like I said, for people who are brand new, this might go over your head. Just know this is leverage. Like I said, you want to start getting paid on the efforts of others. You don't want to always get paid on your efforts, because guess what happens when you don't make a sale, or what happens when you don't do anything? The business stops. So it's just showing an example. You're paid as rank. Your paid rank is gold brand consultant. You personally enrolled a customer earns, and they earn a total of $4,000 in a community revenue bonus. Your match will be $600. Your second generation match means your second level. And they do 7,000 in community. You get another 200, and because it duplicates. And then they have icing on the cake with bonuses. So when you get 2 personal members and they get a $50 kit, you'll earn another $10. And this keeps repeating. When you get 4, you'll earn and you can do these all yourself, or it can happen in your community. Another 20, and then 8, 30, 16 customers, 40. So, and these are individual. So it's 10, 20, another 30, another 40, another 50. So say you went out and got 32 members a week, you're gonna add all these bonuses on top of what I just showed you. And then, like I said, after that, it just shows you like the earning requirements. You see the highest rank is 50 personal volume and 15 customers at 50 personal volume. So that's why I said 50 is really the magic. And after that, it just shows you all the terms. It just shows you what everything means in the breakdown. So I just want to bring that to this, especially for my school community where all you guys will be added. Because this is going to be a very powerful income stream, especially these products are just so, so easy to use, so quick, portable, and there is personal care. So everyone uses personal care daily. People might not go into supplements, but they'll always use deodorant, soap, natural tooth powder. They'll always have something like this for headaches, migraines, sinuses. So it's just king. It's just a king business. This business could really be by itself, but I also show you guys how to do multiple streams of income, just so you can have even more money coming in because you have multiple bills. So we're gonna stop it right there, guys. I just want to make this video for you so you can understand Godesana a little more, but more so the sign up process, because it's a little different now. So all the information will be in the description on how to get access to this product. And if you're in a school academy, all the information will be underneath this video.